the material time, foreigners, including Ogodino, Vito, J. Camargo, Josio, were operating the system. Those are 5 foreign individuals. If a forensic image of the server is availed, details of what was deleted would certainly be established. The other major observation, IEBC refused to provide a security walkthrough to highlight key security controls to determine whether Form 34A could be tampered with during transmission at what point. So we hit a dead end, contrary to what their counsel repeatedly says. They are transparent, it's available. They're even giving the court, donating to the court KIMS kits to look through. Finally, or well, not finally, IEBC refused to grant access to the forensically imaged servers. Instead, the server administrator projected the vSphere, which is the Virtual Server Application Management System, on the whiteboard to demonstrate the access to the servers. The vSphere indicates that the virtual RTS server was created and modified on the 31st of August at 2022. In effect, no information from a server was provided to show what happened during the 2022 general election. Number 11, a couple of manuals were provided, or bundles of documents. We'd like to point out that of interest to the court would be that at page 77 of one of the manuals titled Information and Communication Technology ICT Policy, at page 77 and 78 is a list of 77, a list of 41 individuals, starting with Dixon Kwanusu, and second one Abdi Dahir Abdi Malim, who are described at the top of the page as national returning officers, an office unknown to the law or the Constitution. I would request that the court takes note of that in particular. And paragraph 14, on the 1st of September 2022, the deadlock over the servers finally came to a head when IEBC wrote to the Registrar of the Supreme Court enclosing a letter dated 31st August 2022 from Smartmatic International B.V., the same company that Camargo comes from, in which the letter states, amongst other reasons, the image of the NTC servers containing software owned and copyrighted by Smartmatic and thus IP protected. Providing full access would infringe our intellectual property rights. That brought to the end that matter. Smartmatic, Camargo, whoever they are, wherever they are from, have indicated that they will block and refuse access to the servers completely.